Welcome back. You're still watching Market Cafe right here on ET Now.
And of course, it's D-Day today for the people of Karnataka, as the verdict in the high-stakes elections will be out today, which will identify the next regime in the state. Now, while of course the exit polls indicated a hung assembly in the state, all three contenders, that's BJP, Congress and the JDS, have rejected the fractured mandate verdict. Can Congress retain its power, or will BJP dethrone the ruling party in Karnataka? All eyes, of course, will be on the results today. Listen in to some reactions.
Siddaramaiah, till day before yesterday evening, he was telling that I am the chief minister. I will be the chief minister. And no other's name he has spelled out at any point of time. But yesterday morning, after getting all intelligence report and everything, he came to know that they are going to lose the battle, and thereby he wanted to shift the issue to some other side. For that reason only he said that Dalit CM is acceptable for me.
जहाँ तक सिद्धारमैया जी के बयान का मामला है, उन्होंने ये एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है कि कांग्रेस को बहुमत नहीं मिल रहा है। अब कांग्रेस को अगर बहुमत नहीं मिलता है तो कांग्रेस को ये तय करना है कि उसको विपक्ष में बैठना है या भारतीय जनता पार्टी को रोकना है। एक बात साफ है कि ना तो सिद्धारमैया कर्नाटक के मुख्यमंत्री बनने वाले हैं और ना येडियुरप्पा कर्नाटक के मुख्यमंत्री बनने वाले हैं। कर्नाटक की जनता के आशीर्वाद से श्री एच डी कुमारस्वामी कर्नाटक के मुख्यमंत्री होंगे।
Meantime, Mirror Now's Mandar Fanse was outside the BJP headquarters, and here's a quick ground report straight from Bangalore.
As we were talking about with the people from the political parties and even from the ground as well, especially in the North Karnataka, it seems it's going to be very crucial for both the political parties when it comes to the Mumbai Karnataka and the Hyderabad Karnataka. Hyderabad Karnataka has got 40 seats, and those 40 seats are where the BJP is also hoping a lot and Congress is also hoping a lot. This is the place where possibly the game will change because everywhere else it is almost like very cut-to-cut fight between BJP and Congress largely. JDS has got his own area and their own bastions, but at the same time these are the major chunks in Karnataka where 50 seats matters in Mumbai Karnataka and 40 seats matter in Hyderabad Karnataka, where Mumbai Karnataka as of now BJP is very sure about their performance, but not about the Hyderabad Karnataka. That is what is the ground situation as of now. As we are standing here at the headquarters of the BJP state office, you can see it is quiet right now. It is expected to start buzzing around 10 o'clock and especially now that every political party's cadre is at and around those counting centers, 38 counting centers across the state, 5 in Bengaluru.